Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're good. Just woke up from an afternoon nap. Wasn't feeling well, so I wanted to have some rest. Anyways, today I thought I should talk about my village more, as I tried to fix my hair. I washed it, and so I want to comb it and oil it a bit, so let's do it. Oh guys, you're going to have to forget my red face. The sun has really been doing me badly, but I'll be okay. Okay, so let's start. I guess I look better here, right? Okay, let's start. It's quite tangled. I didn't bring a tripod, so you'll forgive me, but I'm using my hair oil to help my camera to stand. Anyway, it's still soft. That's what I like about my hair. Like whenever I put water, it's always soft. Yeah. Ever since I came to the village, I've loved it here. This village life is amazing, guys. You should just know. Like here, everyone does everything, and they all do things together. It's just teamwork and peace. The animals are just friendly. Honestly, village life might not be easy. For example, we don't have electricity. We survive with solar. Charge our gadgets with solar. Like phones for communication. It's hard to get a hospital around here. You have to travel very many kilometers away, and I find that a bit worrying because recently my uncle fell sick and he did not have the energy to go to the hospital. Eventually he did though, and he got his medication, and so he's on treatment. But still, it's worrying for me because the hospital is really far. That includes the trading center. Also, I just wanted to give a shout out to one of my favorite people who have been supporting me on my channel. That's none other than Jillian Chelsea Biblico. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. I keep seeing you comment, and I am grateful. So in every video, I'll be giving shout outs to people. Okay, I'll try my best to be giving shout outs to people. And don't throw your hair anyhow. So you have to pile your hair together. Be careful with your hair. Okay. So guys, this is my hair. I get to take care of the animals. I learned how to milk the cows. Not perfectly though, but I'm working on it. Anyway, I just love milking the cows. I love going for firewood. It's amazing. Like, I just imagine my mom had to do all these things when I was passing by the trading center. Only that I did not show you guys. I passed by my mom's school, and honestly, it's very far. She was telling me the story of how she used to go to school. She used to wake up very early, walk to school, come back home, do chores, wake up again very early. But honestly, I do not know what time she would wake up because, guys, her school is far from home. Yeah, but, well, all I have to say is she's a very strong woman, and I love her very, very much. And those who grew up in the village, you guys are very strong. Honestly, I love it here. Got some hair oil. One first oil the tips because behind, it's melty, squishy. Behind seems to be a bit disturbing. Anyways, being here is amazing. I've learned how to make millet. Basically learned how to cook food. This place is amazing. especially at night where we play very many games. The only problem is I can't show you because it's night time and we use solar, and so the light is very dim, not enough for you guys to see. Otherwise I would show you. Yeah, but okay, let's try combing now. See, it's after. I like making a line in the middle of my head. And this is my first time experiencing village life, and I love it. Just being with my family, my uncle, my auntie, my cousins. It's amazing. They teach me new things every single time. I've learned how to speak my language. Honestly, guys, village life is amazing. Being in a village feels so like ancient to me because my mom was here, so I'm imagining how she would walk from home to go fetch water. And there's only the borehole was made recently, but where I showed you guys in some video, one of my videos, when she used to go to the swamp, right? I could just imagine her walk all the way from home up to the swamp, fetch water, go back. Really, it feels so, I don't know, like it just feels amazing, it's kind of ancient, like old times kind of thing, like I'm walking where she was walking. It feels amazing, and I love it. I love it here so much. And yeah, I felt very nice when I found out where she studied from. Honestly, it felt amazing to know that the center has been there for a very long time. And I could just imagine her go to the center, buy something to eat, because her school is near the center. So I could just imagine her go to the center, buy something to eat for break time, and then go back to our class eventually. My hair has grown. I want to know what video you want me to do next. Yeah? Okay. My hair is really puffy. An appreciation to all of you for supporting me. Yeah, I'm glad. So guys, let me first come out. Only that there is little light. But this is how my hair is. And I hope you have enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys. Mwah.